Cody does his Kamek born.
Number 8, Cody. I'm getting really tired, Junior. Can you go get my medication? No, don't stop now. We don't want to give you any medicine. We don't want to give you blood. Okay, you're doing really good right now. If you get 300, that would be cool. I can do it. Come on. Hey, you're young. Oh my God. Y'all see that guy? He got 8 strikes in a row. Okay, I'll go for that. All right, Cody. No. I'm getting tired. I know you're getting tired. I'm getting tired too. But I've never seen him get every strike, so I've never won. So come on, Cody. Come on, Cody. No, you kidding me, Cody? No. Okay, so you're gonna keep doing it. Oh, we have a few more left. Okay, come on. You got a minute. Okay, let's never take Cody. What's wrong? I was kind of worn out. Your response really heavy. No, come on, you got it.
I'm gonna cause CTR during this video.
You're almost there. Come on, Cody. It's going. It's going. I love it, Cody. I love it. One more. Come on, let's go. 12. This is the last one. If you get this one, you will go to 300. Pro bowlers haven't even done this. I mean, you're going to get 300. Cody, are you asleep? Cody. I guess that's one way to bowl it. Oh my God, Cody, you got 300. That's 300. Cody.
Magical Mario Bros. Nope. Magical Mario Bros. Magical Mario Bros. Okay, that's close though, but I'm looking for the real deal. I'm looking for that right now. Look at our born video, so Kamek, you know. The one who just was born. The one that just was born. One, and the 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 one. Okay, we're going to the Kamek part. We're not going to go to the Junior part. We're only going to go Kamek.
You got this. Yeah. Piece of cake.
Alright, I'm pretty sure that's the last one.
Oh my God, I can't believe you guys said this. Oh my God. You guys not crying about me? No, we're not crying. Come on.